Well met, lords and ladies, Jacob Butter speaking, and as you all know, I like to interact with the people, the lords and ladies who follow my videos. You know, the loyal supporters, as they were, you know, now that I actually have some. And I'm joking, by the way, but now that I have some who are regular and enjoy commenting and whatever. So one thing that I got a while ago was from this girl called Nightcore Wolfie. And she said that she doesn't actually know how to do Nightcore. So I thought, well, you know, it's in your name, so, you know, someone who you trust and follow, you know, should maybe teach you, because I have actually done a Nightcore before. I believe it's actually down here. Yeah, Pokemon version. That is a parody, by the way. I didn't just make the same song again, which you can do. So I'm going to show you how to make a Nightcore version of a track. Original Nightcores are very scarce, so we're not going to deal with them. If you want to make original Nightcores, I'm not sure what the exact definition of that would constitute, but for Nightcores of other songs, this is how to do it. So first of all, you need to take a song. So I'm going to take my one, so I get another video out of this. Sorry, I'm sniffing. I don't know why. I woke up with a runny nose today. And what you do is you take it into, you download it. You can download it through a number of ways. There's sometimes a button here, depending on what software you've got installed, that says download, which you can do directly. Otherwise, just type YouTube MP3, and there should be some different ones. The one I use is down here, but that opens a lot of tabs and pages that I really shouldn't. I have not tried this one, so I'm going to experiment, because people like my experiments apparently. Okay. Well, I think that's a clear sign that this one isn't that good. I'm just gonna do it anyway, because usually after the original onslaught of pages, which I've got loads open anyway, they don't tend to be too bad. Sometimes you have pages that you can't close, in which case press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and activate this program called Task Manager. You can click on one of them. For example, if I want to close a Discord, I could just put End Task. Same thing for Firefox, and once you open it again, it will say About Session Restore. Then you select the different windows that you want to restore, if any at all. So that's just how you do that. The video was successfully converted. Let's see, do I get any more pop-ups? No, I don't. Apparently not. I will deal with the ones later. So now we've got this file here, conference after conference. As you can see, I downloaded it from a playlist, so it's actually, you know, easy to do. Oh, apparently I already had an MP4 version of it back in the day. But, well, anyway, doesn't matter. We need the MP3 version, so I'm going to move that to my music file, just because that's what I do. And then you want to get this program called Audacity. Now, I'll try and find the link that doesn't have any bugs, because I have the program already installed. I'm not going to test them out. So basically just search for it. I'll put a link in the description to what I think is their official website, but I'm notorious for not being the most trustworthy source of downloads. Apart from in terms of videos, because that's what I just did. That works. So I'm going to go to here, and we're going to open this. So as I found out, you probably can't hear actual music. This song plays as it would normally. So I'm just going to try and move Will to see if I can get better sound.
Some remember the year of Tehran, when the superpowers worked as one.
Yeah, don't judge me too hard, I couldn't sing back then. I was 15 when I made that? Yeah. Okay, so basically what we're going to do now to make a Nightcore, basically the only definition of a Nightcore version of a song is a sped up version with an anime profile picture, pretty much. But that's an unofficial part. So let's see, how am I going to do this? I haven't done this since 2016, so let's see. Change speed or change tempo. It's going to be one of these. If it's not one or the other, I'm just going to do one. Speed multiplier. I'm just gonna see if I can increase this. So increase by, let's go with 25%, 25.355%. You know, a slightly increased version. So technically a Nightcore. So let's see. Let's try that. Applying change of speed. As you can see, the audio file has shrunk, so that's a good sign. So let's try this. The pitch and the tempo should now have both changed. Let's go. Let's have a listen.
Some remember the year of Tehran, when the superpowers worked as one. Stalin voted for German attack, and it was Roosevelt who always had his back, and Yeltsin re-established the UN. And Stalin...
Okay, you get the idea. I'm going to upload this tomorrow, or maybe the next day, I'm not sure. So yeah, I sound like Fred Figglehorn now. Like maybe...
We're unsafe, unsound, uncool, unkempt, everything that you are. You truly live up to the name of the camp. You're the superior camp by far.
Maybe I should do a slowed down version or sound like Fred, one of his songs. I don't know. Right, so you can either do save project here, which doesn't really matter because all we're going to do now is export audio. A history of vision parody. And I'm going to put in brackets. Oh yeah, I can't put brackets in this file. Yeah, so yeah, don't worry about that bit. That's just me being pedantic. I'll put that in the actual video itself. So however you want to save this file to differentiate it from the last one, just do. You can't. And guess what? You can't put a colon either. Good grief. Why is that even a thing? Someone who knows about computers, you can edit this if you want, but it's basically just, you can leave it blank. Okay. Now all that you want to do is find an image. See how many tabs I've got open. Okay. This is for my last video. Let's see. So I am going to try and see if I can find. If this comes up with a result, I'm be surprised. As you know, most Nightcores have an anime profile picture. Tehran conference anime. If this comes up with a result, I'd be very surprised. Oh no, I've got to go with images. Nope. No, it doesn't. That's the picture I used last time, as you can tell. Let's see. Art. Yeah, that doesn't work. How about we go for a Franklin Roosevelt anime? That's, I guess that's from The Simpsons. That's Abraham Lincoln. Still a good president, don't get me wrong, but you know, Roosevelt is up there with the best. Why are you Franklin Roosevelt? What? Oh, Franklin Delano Roosevelt High School. Oh, I don't watch a lot of anime. I'm sorry. What do I do here? Okay, who are you? Right. Oh, that's an interesting. It's all Ryan Gosling down there. Right. Let's just use this. Oh wait, no. No, that's not it. Okay, just use this picture. So what you want to do is download, but also make a note of the source. If you're going to do what I am, make a video. You want to credit the person. So yeah, anime. That's just literally the title. Loosely Franklin Roosevelt. Right, so just make a note of this page wherever it comes from, and you know, and then and then link it in the description. So just keep that tab open. So then just go to whatever editing software you use. I, for example, use Sony Vegas, but I know that costs a lot of money. So Movie Maker or anything like that will work just as fine. But basically just open here. It's going to come up with my last project. I think you can do this. I was trying to test this on the YouTube edit a couple of days ago. I actually don't know how well it works. I don't think it works well at all. So I'm just going to use my my regular software. The last session, I don't want to restore anything. So now all we just go here to do is import media. As you can see, there's a lot of projects I've done and what I haven't done. Let's see. So we're on music. So let's see. Let's go with a conference after. Oh wait, no. It starts with Nightcore, doesn't it? Nightcore, conference after conference. Alright, it's only 2 minutes actually, so it's pretty good. Let's see, so go to pictures. What did I save it as? Alright, and then just stretch. With pictures it's easy to stretch, with video it's not. And that is basically it. You can just render that. You can add subtitles, but I'm not going to add subtitles. If you want to do that, you open a new video track and go insert text media. It takes a while to load. And then basically you type in here. So I'm just going to do the title. So yeah, let's see, Jacob Butter Conference after conference. Nightcore version. And then I'm just gonna minimize this so you can actually see all of it. Let's go one more. So go to 14. Yep. Down here you can change the color. Unfortunately, if you want to change the color properly, you have to do that for every single one. So yes, that's how you do it, and then you can extend that as far as you like and add as many more of those as you want. So yeah, that is how to do a Nightcore. I could personally add my intro, for example, and add my outro, but which I actually think I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna add my outro. I'm gonna add my intro. So go here, and mine is saved as channel intro. Do I want no? And just there we go. Once you've completed all of that, just go to here, go to render as. Wait 5 hours, and then this takes forever. You can render them in whatever quality you want. If you want the best quality, use this one, but if your video is very long, it takes forever. I wouldn't recommend it unless you've got hours of patience. You can do other things on that time, obviously. So let's see. Nightcore conference after conference. Obviously you're gonna have to, if you need to change whatever file format you do, then just do that, but for the most part that's it, and you just click render, and that's it. That should do that, and then eventually you just it saves in your files. You can save it anywhere else in this open folder format, and then that's it, you're done. That's how you make Nightcore. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you want more tutorials in the future, if you want me to tell you how to do other things, then you know, I'm sure I can find a way. I've done a few good things on YouTube in my time, I like to think, maybe. So yeah, that's it. And on that sped up note, until next time, farewell.